Good morning, this is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com. Welcome to my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil for today, Tuesday. It is April 25th. It's 8:53 a.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to start with oil, and we're taking a look at CL that is trading at right now at $49, and we've talked about CL yesterday, and we talked about the fact that it was rejected from the $50 area, continuation lower into this prior low right here where the price was trying to stabilize at 49.20. Mild bounce overnight right into the 20-period moving average, found resistance at 49.50. The price got rejected at this point again, revisited the prior low at $49, and again, $49 is going to be a tough area to take out because we are into a prior cluster from a daily chart that we're trying to erase. The prior cluster is a wide range cluster that actually has price in between a support of 47.20 and a resistance of 49.50, which is this area right here. And so far we are literally taking very little away from yesterday's low right here below $49, and we're also sitting on a 200 moving average onto a daily onto the daily chart, and also onto the 50-period moving average on a weekly chart. So that makes it a little bit difficult to just just slice through this $49 level. So it has made an attempt to, as you can see here, that for the last 6 trading hours, the price has been pretty much in a constant range from 49.15 all the way to 49.50, and then just a breach here that came in very early in the morning, close to 8 a.m. So far for today, keep in mind that there are the API numbers that are coming out at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Literally, we don't know if the price is going to remain sideways until the numbers are out, or if it's really going to try to breach this really hefty area of support here at $49. But if we break below $49, like I said, this is the line in the sand for oil right here, and it's trading within a wide range of 50 cents. But if it breaks below $49, it has a clear void all the way to $48, and the next support area is at $47.20 and $47. With that being said, the risk to reward ratio for a day trade here is on the choppy side, because we need to confirm literally a break below $49, and the minimum risk that you're looking at is 50 cents. So that is a really increased risk. If you're a beginner trader just trading with one contract, keep in mind that that could be $500 risk, and the reward does not match your risk. All right, so with that being said, we're going to leave CL aside, and we're going to look at gold. Gold that has been literally trading lower. It is still trading within the prior day's range, meaning yesterday's high right here and low, and you can see that the price is still captive, and as long as the price remains within the prior day's parameters, it is very tough to either make a new high or make a new low. So choppiness is the name of the game in gold right now. High yesterday, 1280, area that has been tested in yesterday over prior days overnight, and also last night. You could see here a retest at 7 p.m. Eastern Time at the 1280 area, psychological area as well. Also a minor resistance area from this prior cluster of resistance to support to the left. And also, this is yesterday's trading session low, actually the overnight low of 1266. So these are the parameters. If we break through these levels, we can see the price continue lower to 59. Not a huge target, because we're still into an area of support all the way into that area, so it's not going to be that easy, but fluidity is going to come once this low is going to be taken out. For the upside, bullish environment only if we break above this 1280 area. Other than that, we're going to sit on our hands for long positions, because this is going to be a little bit tough here. From the daily perspective, the price is, like I've mentioned earlier, into the prior day's low, trading very, very close to the prior day's low, still keeping that. Also, we are in a minor support area from the daily chart from highs that were created on February 27th, and also from March 27th and April 4th. Also from a spike up from April 7th. So we still have a lot of support in that area from those prior highs. We're gonna look for both sides of the coin in gold for potential day trade. However, unless we break prior day's low or high, we're gonna remain moderately cautious on trading gold. And now let's move to the E-mini Dow. And E-mini Dow right here is getting a huge spike to the upside, trading into the 20,866 area, and actually breaking this very small base to the upside, 760, and this was actually a really nice base to play. However, it happened in the very early hours. 6 o'clock actually was when the breakout was aligning, and it moved higher. So far, yes, it does look higher. We are just breaching the 800 area, 820 actually, the area that we've talked yesterday. 820 area was the daily resistance. I'm going to bring the daily chart. All right, so this was the daily resistance. We just broke above that area, and we still have a lot of void to continue into the 900, 920, and 2100, and obviously into this all-time high here at 21,162. So going back to the hourly chart to see what the projections are, obviously we have room to continue higher, like I've mentioned in those prior numbers. But again, we're getting very extended, so you can see that the move is happening before the New York session opens, so it's going to be a waiting game. We're going to wait for a pullback. 820 most probably is going to be the area that I would prefer to see a pullback happen, at least, if not 20,800. That can potentially constitute a long into this area. Shorting, not an option for YM in this case, and like I said, it does have the right pattern to continue higher into the 2100 and to the all-time high of 21,162. Let's move on to the S&P 500 index futures, and the index 500 index futures has just taken out the prior day's high, 23.76.75. This is the area right here. Obviously continuing higher. It had a strong push into 7 o'clock Eastern time, 6 o'clock Eastern time, a pullback into the 23.75 area would make it a good possibility for continuation higher. Targets for today, 23.90. And potential continuation higher. We just broke above prior day's high here, so this is the first test. Usually we're getting a breakout and then a pullback, so this pullback, this is what we're watching here, the 23.75 area. Also for Nasdaq, let's take a look at Nasdaq. From the daily chart, we're trading well above the prior day's high. You can see the prior day's high right here, grinding higher. 55.20 was one of the target areas. It blasted through that area. We are trading right now at all-time highs right here, 55.25.50. And a pullback into the 20 area back again, or 17 or 15 area will make it more appealing for a long. So we're not going to be very aggressive, very aggressive right off the open. But I am going to look for a pullback because it is very extended. It has been rallying for 4 hours, and it may show signs of exhaustion right from the open or into 10 o'clock reversal time. This is all for now. For more trades and trade ideas, follow me on my private Twitter feed, and also don't forget to exercise a lot of patience throughout the day today because we are looking very extended. All right, guys, thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.